Colons versus semicolons. What's the difference?
Colon usage number 1. The colon is used to introduce a list of items. An example is, the bookstore specializes in 3 subjects: art, architecture, and graphic design. A colon is also used to separate 2 independent clauses when the second explains the first. In the example, the statements after the colon are explaining how the children are involved in the art. Colon can be used to emphasize a phrase or single word. In the first example, the word guilty is emphasized. In the second, the focus is, this was a trip of a lifetime. Finally, colons are also used to tell time, show ratios, and for biblical references. Here's an example of each below. In comparison, a semicolon is often used between 2 independent clauses when a coordinating conjunction is omitted. In the example, 2 independent clauses are connected by a semicolon. The semicolon is also used between 2 independent clauses linked by a transitional expression. In the example, the word consequently is linking the 2 independent clauses. The semicolon can be used in lists with internal commas. In the example, the semicolon acts as a sort of supercomma. It is linking the list of independent clauses. Let's practice. What punctuation should go in the blank? A colon or a semicolon? A semicolon. How about this one? A colon. Thanks for watching.